Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. House planning in the dimensions of 30 by 70 feet. I designed this house plan for one of my client. If you need house planning, structural design, 3D animation for any type of building, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. If you are anywhere, you will get a best house planning from my side on paid services, not for free. Guys, this is ground floor plan. This is first floor plan, and this is its front elevation and gate boundary wall elevation. Right? Let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Size is 30 by 70 feet. The side space is open space is 5 feet. The back is 10 feet. Here we have just one bedroom on the ground floor. On the first floor we have two other bedrooms. As you can see, this is main gate, which width is 13 feet. This is driveway. Front lawn is 10 feet. Back side is also 10 feet. This is car porch. Size of this car porch is 8 feet by 8 feet 7.5 inch. This is main entry. So when you enter by this main entry, which size is 7 by 7 feet, this is powder room. This is its ventilation. The first one you can see, this is a drawing room. And here this you can see the corner window for this drawing room. Size of this drawing room is 12 feet by 17 feet 6 inch. Next you can see this is first floor. This is staircase for the first floor. Half circular stairs you can see. With this drawing room you can see this is the access to this dining. This is the size of this dining is 12 feet by 12 feet 1.5 inch. You can see the access to this dining from this TV lounge. Size of this TV lounge is 10 feet 9 inch by 16 feet 9 inch. This is the window to this open passage. Now guys, you can see this is the first bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 13 feet by 16 feet. This is the window to this open passage, which is 5 feet. Next, with this dining, guys, you can see this is the passage about 3.5 feet. And this is box. Box means this is a kind of store, which is 5 feet by 7.5 inch by 5 feet 7.5 inch. And directly you can access to the kitchen. Size of this kitchen is 9 feet 9 inch by 10 feet. You can see the veranda. Size is 6 feet 9 inch width. This is pantry 4 by 6 feet. In this bedroom you can see this is the dress room and also bath 13 feet by 6 feet. This is wardrobe. This is ventilation. Okay, everything is perfect. Now guys, we have also here the first floor. So here we have circular stairs for the first floor. Access also at the back side lawn you can use it. Guys, this is its ground. This is its first floor plan. Right? We have the first bedroom. So this is down for the first floor staircase. So here when you up on this stair, so this is first floor. This is the first bedroom. Size is 10 by 9 inch by 10 feet 9 inch by 14 feet 6 inch. This is the window. This is low roof and this is terrace. And here you can see the small windows. You can see clearly for this stairs. And this is the window for this bedroom. The second bedroom. Size is 12 feet by 12 feet 1.5 inch. Next you can see this is the lobby, which width is 5 feet. Sorry, this is 6 feet. With this bedroom you can see this is a bath. Size of this bath is 5 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. This is the small window. This is lobby, which width is 4 feet 9 inch by 10 feet 9 inch. This is the window to this side. This is the other bedroom. The third bedroom. Size of this bedroom is 13 feet 4.5 inch by 16 feet. Here guys, you can see this is dress plus bath 13 feet 4.5 inch by 6 feet. This is its window, small. Now guys, you can see with this bedroom, this is the bath. Size is 9 feet 9 inch by 6 feet. And here this is open sky. This is the window. And on upstairs you can see clearly this is a small balcony. So here this is the servant quarter. Size of this quarter is servant room is 9 feet 9 inch by 10 feet 1.5 inch. And here this is the toilet with this. You can see which size is 4 feet 6 inch by 5 feet. Guys, everything is perfect for this ground floor. For first floor, this is ground floor. Next guys, you can see this is its elevation. clearly you can see. And this is gate boundary wall elevation. Right. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.